go again.
Okay, we're here today to do a DIY clock. DIY clock. Okay. So, this came from Wish. Wish me good luck, because this is my first time doing this. And it shouldn't be hard because I'm into stuff like this. I'm into stuff. I do things like this. Ain't nothing new. So, okay. We're going to get into this. I don't even know what the call is. I don't give a stress though. Do it yourself, removable, easy white. You gotta wipe stuff. Flexible. I don't know nothing about these Chinese words. So cheer yo, we're gonna try to figure this out ourselves. But other than that, we're gonna get into this and we're gonna get back to y'all. The material you're gonna need. You're gonna need your what's provided into the box, whatever. You got the clock where it's going at, but this is for the one, this is what it's going at on this wall right here. Put me on the wall. But it comes with the stickers to also to put on the wall to placement or the placement you're gonna have them at. You also have the pretty much what the clock comes with, everything in it. They have a TICKY Tock, that part. And they also have, which is good too, the measuring of the placement you're gonna have it at. So okay. I'm trying to get it, okay.
6.5 hours later.
They should have more instructions than they did have Japanese. This is not helping me. That's to the wall. I'm gonna nail it to the wall, I'm gonna stick it to the wall. That's it, step one. They gave instructions. Alright. I didn't even see this.
Okay.
Okay, so. Okay, Japanese. Do we have any English? Okay, yes, we have English. Okay. Okay, open out the box, put everything together. Okay, use a hammer to put a similar nail into the wall. See? Man, I got a nail. Oh, I got it. I got a nail. Okay, do it come with a... Yeah. Put a fast little nail and hammer in. Okay, thank you. Okay. I'm with a little bag. Let me figure this out, and I'll get with y'all. Okay, we're back, and this piece, oh my God, we're gonna leave that for another day. But, okay, after that, you wanna get a good center in your wall where you want your clock to go for the measurements. Start off with 12.
Sure.
This is the stencil that comes in this. It comes in something like this. You use the elementary school, play with the dots, collect the clocks, whatever you want to call it. So, you want to basically take it and you want to measure when you're going to start off with your 12 at, which I'm not going to break it way up here. Make sure it's even. They have the instructions on the clock itself, so it will be measured just precise. Okay. So after that, what you want to do is you want to peel the sticker off the bag. It's a stick off. Basically, you want to stick it where it's at. Okay. Measure this stuff. Make sure this stays in place. I'm gonna do the 12 sticks. I think it's 12. Fucking whatever. You want to make sure you have a precise, because once you stick it on that stuff, I'm going to put it in the middle of the E. Okay. Drum roll, please. Okay. 4, 6. Do the 12 to start off. It's really useful. Hey! I don't want to keep putting on and off. So you're gonna get your gold to go on top of it. Some glass clean. Some glass. Okay. Also, too, this is a peel off too as well. So basically, you just take this and you just put it right on top. I get the concept. You want to just match it with it. Ooh. Oh yeah, that is smart tip, everyone. You might want to just stick it. My 12 looks so retarded. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is to beat all this. I'm just gonna stick it on, then put it up. It'll be much easier than that. That's the smart way to do it. Cause trying to do it while it's stuck on the wall is gonna kill, drive me damn crazy. All right, so we got 12 of them. Got a whole more clock to go, so I'm gonna let y'all with that. All right, y'all. After all this sticky, icky. All this after we done this. Okay, this is how it came out after the fact. We turned out really nice. Let me know what y'all think. Comments in the comments section, you know. And let's let me know. But this is our DIY clock. Gave it a little twist and turn, you know, different varieties of numbers and diagonal and triangles. Yes, this is nice how it turned out. It's real good for the space of your wall that you have in your house. Something to put where, you know, how to reach your children, they're gonna snatch them off the wall. Just get that forward. But other than that, this is the last result of how it came out. And thank y'all for joining in. Stay tuned.